I have the perfect, classy, ladylike, royal look that I am going for. So I'm just going to bring you closer, switch the screen, and then we're going to start looking at our hats and see how we look in them. So this particular red hat, it's made of felt, and it's made of this beautiful braided material right here, and I accessorize it with gold. Gold is one of my favorite colors, and gold goes just better with red. I love a red with gold. I'm wearing here a little red brooch, and I do have these in my store. These brooches are for $5. I do put them on the hats, wear them on the clothes. It's trimmed with red lace, and in the back up here it also has the lace finishing. Let me turn and see if you can notice it from that end. All right, so I do have the lace running in the front and in the back, and have a black here half hat that we just slide over our head. And I'm gonna remove these glasses because I don't really need to have that on. But this little black half, hey Stacy, red is beautiful. This little black half, just a beautiful little trimming. You know, for me at Destiney hats, I have to have the bling factor, so it's definitely working. So that's this one. Now I'm gonna just sit down. Okay, anyways, so here I have another red and black and beige put together in some petals, and you can do the petals in any combination. I'm sure you must have seen this before because this is a model hat. Just letting you know what we can do with the felt petals. We can do the felts in these kinds of hats, as well as we can do them with petals. Okay, so this would go really great with this outfit as well. It's just a head turner. I mean, it's accessorized with a black veil and rhinestones inside the petals, and that also goes great. Please come and share. Someone else wants to see this. Do me a favor, when you come in, just share this video, okay? Thank you. There we go. All right, so let me just put this one on. Hi, Toy. When you come in, just share. I'm just showing some of my work of my hats. This is the Destiney hats designs, exclusively only here, made by yours truly. And I wish I had a model over here. I might pause and show you. We do have a few of those. This is really probably one of the simplest, but just a lovely color that I wanted to show to you tonight. You can wear this one like that. Like that. Hey. I'm sorry, Cara, but I'm real take that talk. Alright, so there we go. Alright. I love really beautiful, exquisite things that are uncommon, and I would love to believe that it shows in my work. What else I have? All right, so I'm gonna leave you tonight with pretty. You have a very happy Mother's Day. despite all that we can't do, despite the fact that we may not be able to go out, but just dress yourselves up in the house and look beautiful. You deserve it. You are a good mom. And I pray for you tonight that you haven't seen your best days yet.